View of the city from your upper-level bedrooms in this custom 2-story boasting well over 2,500 square feet. Home is very thoughtfully laid out with a spacious main floor plan host to main floor office, main floor laundry, formal living room with stone fireplace feature and great room off the custom kitchen which is light and airy with ample cabinets. Upper level continues to be awesome with executive master suite with no carpet, upgraded 5-piece ensuite with DBL sink, glass shower, HDD tile and walk-in closet. 2 more large bedrooms with west/eye closets and 3 PC tile ensuites. Huge linen closet west/laundry chute. Basement is fully complete with access to garage, RI for laundry, theater room/gym area, custom wet bar, granite and sink, additional 4th bedroom and bathroom. Garage is huge and heated. Home is integrated with speakers, high-efficient furnace and water heater, city water, county taxes, hardy board exterior, fire pit area, large sun deck off the back with glass rails.